So now I'm gonna like flip it because I'm working from the right to the left because I'm right-handed. Okay, so here we go. This is the part that we just seamed. I'm gonna take my marker. I can't find my marker because I moved houses lately, and because they are very small, so I lost most of them, so I need to buy a new one. Anyway, until I buy them I have to, thank God. So let's do the same thing. I'm gonna zoom it in. So yep, but before doing this I'm gonna count and add our marker and repeat the whole process again. Okay, and let's do it. Okay, there's something wrong here. I don't know. Let me check. Okay, so here we go. No, just yeah, I think there's like one stitch. I started like one stitch like different, but it's okay. That's okay. So I'm gonna finish here, and here we go. It's okay. If it's only one stitch, that's okay. But if it's like more than that, that will be like a big problem. So I have one stitch difference here. That's okay for me. I can live with that. I'm not gonna repeat the whole process because of one stitch, okay? But if there's like a huge difference between the marker here, you need to repeat it again. But I only have one stitch difference, so yeah, that's okay with me. So again, I'm gonna like fasten off and cut the yarn, and here we go. And if I like show you how it looks like it's nothing. It's just like it's nothing. There's no difference, to be honest. Yeah, you can see it. Okay, so I finished connecting the 4 squares, and as you can see, this is the opening that I told you about that I need. So all these sides are connected, and this the opening that we need. So the next part will be making the straps. And to make the strap, we need to connect like at the 2 corners, like in front of each other. So I'm gonna just take these like this. It doesn't matter, like it's all like the same, but this will be. So I'm gonna have the strap from this part to the back here, and from this part to the back, and that's it. Yeah, see you in the next section to finish the top, and it's almost done. Almost done. Yep, making the straps and finishing the tails, and we can wear it. Yay! Almost done, guys.